Here we have our M895VL Charlotte purse. Your monogram will go center between the handles and between the top PU trim. Slide toed all the way to the back of 6.5 by 5 inches slimline clamp frame. Slide a piece of salby between frame and tote. Now you can begin sewing. All the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesaleboutique.com. Our custom centering jigs can be purchased individually as well as a set of 4. These jigs are helpful tools to have when using Hoop Tech clamps frames on a variety of our products. When the sew is complete, you can remove the item from the machine. Now you have a finished product. Click the links in the description below to view the items used in this video.